Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Saint Christopher Magellanus and Companions. Focus. Draw near to God, and He will draw near to you. Saint James gives us the same advice that Jesus did when Jesus said, "Abide in me, and I in you." Drawing near to God is the only solution to the difficulties we face as we strive to live Christian lives. On the other hand, our egos rule us, and on the other, worldly values lead us astray. If we do not remain close to God, chances are that we will fall into sin. John was ecstatic when he was tipped for a promotion. But to his dismay, he learned of rivals vying for the same post. They were trying every dirty tricks to impress the boss. Heated quarrels and fights soon erupted. John, who took his faith in Jesus seriously, had a choice: either to compete with his rivals using the dubious tactics to obtain his promotion or stick to his integrity. St. James points out that we are led by our passions, desire, covetousness, and selfishness, which is friendship with the world and enmity with God. The caution we need to contemplate is how to draw nearer to God and experience His closeness. James suggests submission to God in humanity. It also greatly helps to adhere to the schedule of daily personal prayer, scriptural reflections, and the Eucharist. Fruits. Let me meditate on today's first reading and see how it applies to me personally.